Birds, like other living things, also need food. They do not have teeth to bite into their food. Instead, they use their beaks and claws. Birds eat different foods. Some eat flesh and some eat grains, seeds and fruits. The type of claws and beaks they have tell us what kind of food they eat. Sparrows, pigeons, peacocks and cock eat grains and seeds. They have hard, short and horny beaks to break and crush seeds.
Parrots and cockatoos have curved beaks.
A curved beak helps them to break nuts, seeds and fruits. A woodpecker has very strong and sharp beak.
It uses its beak to peck at and make holes in the hard, woody tree trunk.
A woodpecker builds its nest in the trunks of trees. It also taps the barks of trees to catch insects.
Herons and cranes are waders.
They walk in shallow water without getting wet. Their feet do not sink into water. The ostrich has only 2 toes. It has very strong legs. These legs help the ostrich to run. Ostriches have small wings, so they cannot fly.